In this problem, we're trying to determine if these two ratios of 5/3 and 30/18 are proportional or equivalent, equal to each other. There's a couple ways that we can try to solve this problem. The first way is to look for a pattern. In order for a ratio to be proportional to another ratio, the top and bottom have to be multiplied or divided by the same value to go from one to the other. So, for example, if I want to get from 5 to 30, what number do I have to multiply or divide by? 5 times 6 give me 30. So, in the bottom, I'm going to look and see what number would I have to multiply or divide by to get from 3 to 18. To get from 3 to 18, I can multiply again by 6. Since I'm multiplying by the same amount on the top and the bottom to get from 5/3 to 30/18, I know that these two must be proportional. The other way we can check and see if they're proportional is to cross-multiply. When we're cross-multiplying, we are going to multiply diagonally, top to bottom and top to bottom. If the numbers we get at the end are equal, then we know that they're proportional. So we'll start by multiplying 3 times 30. And you can use your calculator anytime you'd like. 3 times 30 is going to give you 90. Then we check and see what we get if we multiply them together on the other side. 5 times 18 . 5 times 18 is also 90. Since the two numbers we got at the end are equal to each other, we know that, yes, these two ratios are proportional. Why don't you give this one a try? Let's check our answer. Did you get that they are not proportional? If so, then you're probably good to continue your review. If not, let's review together. So, even though you could try to find a pattern to go from the left to the right on 20 to 14, it would be a little difficult to spot here. So I'm probably going to use cross multiplication to try to solve this problem. So I'm going to multiply first across here and then diagonally on the other side to determine if the numbers we get are equal. When I multiply 44 times 14, I get 616. When I multiply times 20 times 6, 20 times 6 is going to be equal to 20 times 26 is going to be equal to 520. These numbers are not equal, so since the numbers are not equal to each other, I know that these ratios are not proportional. Now let's look at how we can solve for a missing value in a proportion.